This is the introductory video for the VR framework. Right now you're seeing the Unity project and being displayed. Currently I have the HTC Vive on my head right now. You can see the controllers as I'm moving around in real time. Unity provides a very nice window that mirrors what's going on in the headset right now, so I can show off all the features and get started with this. Before I get started, I want to display all the button layouts of the Vive controllers because they do come into play for all the features. Right now you can see the trackpad, which is going to be used for our teleportation function. It serves as a trackpad as well as a button itself. Right above it we have the menu button, which is what we use to change between load zones and scenes. In the back we have the triggers, which we use for the use button. It activates scripts for any pickup usable object. And right next to it we have the grip buttons, is what we use to actually pick up objects themselves. So right here, this is just one of the scenes, one of the many things you can do. If you press down on the trackpad button, you can project a beam. It can be either a straight line or this Bezier curve. It'll be green if you can teleport to that location, or red if you can't. If you release the button, it'll move your position, the camera's position right there, and you can still move around in real time. I'm currently walking around my living room, and I'm moving around. And if I pick up one of these objects with the grip buttons, it'll be tracked to my controller. The movements are one-to-one, and all these objects have real physics. If I let go of the buttons, it'll drop. I can move over, pick it up again, and I can even throw it around. Sometimes to better effect than others. And I have weight and momentum. I have a couple of other objects that use earlier versions of the script if anyone ever wants to take a look at that. An earlier version of the pickup script has emulated weight. I won't go into too much detail, but it's nice to play around with. This little testing range where you can have a sample use item. It's a little gun that you can point and shoot. And to fire the button, you just have to press the actual trigger button on the controller. You can press the menu button to switch between scenes. This is an earlier version that has a keyboard and mouse movement scheme. It's a little primitive, but I kept it in there just to show off the design process. And here we have the maze game, which is the main feature of this entire project. It shows off all the functions, teleportation, picking up of objects, using them, and provides an educational game which utilizes all of the main functions. For more details, please watch some of the other videos. And I'll see you next time.